Are endless spreadsheets, manual tasks, and complex financial reports overwhelming you? Imagine a world where AI not only handles the heavy lifting but also helps you create impactful financial presentations, freeing you to focus on strategic decisions that drive business success. Welcome to Microsoft Copilot Essentials for Accountants, a self-paced course that will revolutionize your accounting and finance work. In this course, you will follow the story of Pixel Wave Studios, a game development company that turned financial chaos into clarity using Copilot. You'll gain practical hands-on experience, streamline your workflow, perform in-depth financial analysis, and create presentations that impress. Whether you're looking to enhance your current skills or explore new possibilities, this course will equip you with the AI tools you need to succeed. As a CPA and 2024 Microsoft MVP, I am excited to guide you through mastering Microsoft Copilot, empowering you to revolutionize your work. I'm your instructor, David Fortin, and this is CPE Flow.